Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Yesterday we have started the topic that is packing, and that already we have come to the amusing portions, and that how George Harris and the author Jerome K. Jerome, they have started their packing, and first author had started his packing, and ultimately when he has just strapped the bag, then Harris started asking that whether he is going to put the boots inside the bag or not, and listening this question, Jerome K. Jerome was very much angry, but he reopened the bag and put the boots inside the bag. Though Jerome K. Jerome, he did not utter anything, he did not say anything, but inside his heart, inside his mind, he was in an uncomfortable feeling that whether he had packed everything properly or not. And now, as per the author, that he is telling that it was his toothbrush. Always he was getting panicky for that. Toothbrush, this is a very simple thing, but this is a very useful thing, and that in the morning it is necessary, and after dinner also it is necessary. So when somebody is packing, so various types of thoughts may come in his or her mind, like that okay, morning, suppose that at night he has completed packing, but morning he needs the toothbrush. Then how he could think? He may think that okay, morning after brushing I will keep my toothbrush inside the bag. Then again he can think, acha, what's wrong in it? Only one toothbrush. So if I forget, so now I am keeping the toothbrush inside my bag, and then morning I will reopen the bag, I will brush, and again I will repack it. So these types of thoughts generally people they think, and Jerome K. Jerome himself also, he thinks like that way, and so he could not remember that whether he had packed his toothbrush or not. So then he started again, he just opened the bag, and he started finding his toothbrush, and for that he told that I have I have taken out all the mortal things. Mortal things means ordinary things, means from bag he has taken out all the things, but he had not found his toothbrush, though he found George and Harris's toothbrush 18 times. 18 times means what? That when he was he could not remember that whether his toothbrush is was that so naturally he just tried to find out inside the bag. So naturally he had to take out all the things from the bag. Again, one after another he will keep the things inside the bag or anywhere, or he will try to find out his toothbrush, but he did not get it. And then that whether that 18 times he found George's and Harris's. Then what he had done? Then he had he held up everything and just shook once. Maybe that he had kept the toothbrush some inside some pot or something, and at last he found his toothbrush in a boot. So now you can understand that how a very good and efficient packer the author Jerome K. Jerome is. So finally when he just packed the bag and just strapped it, then George started, are the soaps inside the bag? See, first Harris, he did it that when the author first time he had just strapped the bag, then Harish asked that aren't you going to put the boots inside? And now that George and Harish, both of them are watching, both of them are observing what Jairam Ke Jairam was doing. So they easily could ask George that before strapping the bag. Then this time Jairam Ke Jairam was very much angry, and he replied in a very just angry manner that I just don't care. I am least bothered of that. I hang it. Means that when somebody is very much angry, then they replied in this way. But when he replied in that way, then he himself found that Jairam Ke Jairam, that he had packed his spectacles, his glasses inside the bag. Now it is his own thing. So again he had to reopen the bag. He had taken out his specs and that strapped the bag in a very huge way, with a force. That means actually he is very much angry. So he his anger was just he was showing his anger on the bag. And finally he has packed, and now this is the time 10:05 p.m. So finally Jairam Ke Jairam, he had packed his bag. Now Harish and George, they had come to Jairam Ke Jairam's home. So they told that before 12 they had to leave. So now they will pack, and that it is a hamper that they had to that what was left, that was the hamper they had to pack. And hamper means that basket that inside which that food and that crockeries you can keep, utensils, crockeries that you need to you can keep. So Harish and George, they proposed, and that very moment author also told yes, you do go ahead. Then that Harish had that observed that now this is Jairam Ke Jairam's turn, and Harish and George, they had started packing. And as per author, that George and Harish both were worst packer, but still, so Harish and George, they started in a very light-hearted way. Means frankly, very casually they have started. Acha, you were very much means to it was that their intention to show that you were very much tensed, you were very much angry, but now you see how to pack. We are going to show you. So in a very casual way, in a very cheerful way, Harish and George, they have started packing, and that all the items related to food, that tomatoes, that pies, that butter, that cookies, that stove, that plates, cups, everything were that were gathered over there. All the things were gathered over there. So, and when Jairam Ke Jairam, he saw that yes, that different types of things they have gathered, and they are going to pack it, then Jairam Ke Jairam understood, realized that soon the that situation will be amusing, and it is going to happen. So let's wait and let's see. Let me see. Let me wait. So now this is Harish and George's turn to pack, and Jairam Ke Jairam's turn was over. He had packed. So up to here today, you read and you watch the video. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.